Hello everybody, it's Lee from West Country Cleaning Equipment and Pest Control of Yeovil. It's coming up to the end of January 2021. Everybody's still in lockdown. We're in work obviously because we can't work from home. And I thought it's a great time because it's actually quite mild out here today. It's about 11 degrees. Just want to share with you our new Fusion foaming product that's available. It comes in 25 litre and 200 litre containers, so you can buy it in bulk. And basically it's designed as a non-caustic foaming system for keeping your vehicles clean. So we've been asked to develop this for one of our local fleet operators who want a premium product that is going to keep their vehicles nice and clean and shiny, and also not damage the paintwork, which some caustic foaming agents can do. Most of the foaming agents, because they are a touchless system, have quite a high concentration of a caustic base in them. This is a non-caustic foaming product that will not damage paintwork on vehicles. So I'm going to try it out on our rather dirty service van. We've done lots of miles in this over the past few months. This thing gets washed probably twice a day at least when we're out doing our normal service calls. This morning I'm actually back in the office doing a load of paperwork, so I thought I'd just take a few minutes and show you the van, show you how dirty it is, and then we'll give this a good old test and see what happens. Okay, so the van's been sitting there now for about 5 minutes with the foam on it, biting into the dirt hopefully. We're going to use this new Earl HD 823 Premium with a hose reel on it, because it's got 15 metres of hose. The van's quite far away, so we're going to drag the hose out, plenty on there to get right over to the van. We're going to give it a rinse off. This has all been used in cold water mode only, because I wanted to test the foam just in cold water. Everybody knows that detergents work better in hot water, hence why you always wash your dishes at home in hot water as opposed to cold. So I wanted to test it just in cold water to give it a real world test basically, because not everybody's got fancy hot water machines like this one. When I've rinsed it all off, I'm going to get some of our wax rinse through it onto the vehicle to give it that final bit of sheen. So let's go and rinse it off. Okay, so I've rinsed the vehicle off now. There's no more foam left on there. It's done a really nice job. I haven't put any rinse aid on there yet. I'm not sure that we actually need to put it on there, to be honest, because it's done such a nice job. It's left a nice, you know, the water's sheeting off nicely, and it's leaving quite a nice surface. So I think that van's ready to go back out again. And that's the idea of the system. We're not here to spend an hour cleaning the vehicle. We want to get the vehicle in, cleaned, and then back out onto the road again. So this system is not for valeters per se, although valeters could use it. It's more designed for quick and efficient cleaning and safe cleaning of commercial vehicles. Okay, so I'm going to give it a rinse off with some rinse aid anyway, because I've already set it up in the machine, and we'll catch you again soon. Thanks, bye.